What is the future of industrial equipment manufacturing? It is highly efficient, flexible, intelligent, and also sustainable. Most importantly, it is people-centric. In Yizumi iFactory, it makes them happen. Here, a new trend in machinery manufacturing is possible to witness. Based on the concept of lean manufacturing and the application of AI, big data, IoT, and other technologies, Yizumi Intelligent Manufacturing System was born. Total digitalization for entire production management. Production planning, quality control, and even the status of equipment operation could be grasped accurately by the system. It takes only 15 minutes to assemble an injection molding machine in an automated mode. Moreover, Yizumi iFactory provides a better working environment for the employees and thus boosts productivity significantly. A 33% reduction in the production cycle and an 80% increase in overall output. With the application of digital twinning technology of machine simulation, Yizumi Intelligent Manufacturing System could provide executable virtual models through real-time interconnection with the manufacturing equipment, and upgrade the production plant to realize a smart and automated flexible manufacturing system of multi-product, multi-form, and multi-flow mixed production. With the help of IoT and advanced detectors, each sort of quality indicator and energy data could be tracked in real time to ensure constant quality. Up to 99.99% of part selection accuracy, the smart storage and retrieval system could achieve high-density storage. Under the support of WMS, various sets to automated equipment are widely used. AGV, LGV, AMR. Through man-machine collaboration, work efficiency can be increased by 3 times, while manpower input and logistics costs can be reduced by 70%. More even painting and longer lifespan. Yizumi fully automated spraying solution could not only provide more excellent spraying quality, but also protect the health of the employees more effectively. Thanks to the strategy of sustainable development, Yizumi builds up its iFactory based on the concept of carbon neutrality, which lowers energy consumption by about 25% compared to ordinary factories. Paperless factory, 2 tons of paper could be saved each year. Adopts eco-friendly water-based paint to minimize environmental pollution. The power produced by the factory's own photovoltaic system could cover 30% of its annual power demands. Under the gigantic blue sky architecture, adequate sunlight in the workshop can save energy and create an enjoyable working environment for the employees. Yizumi iFactory, highly efficient, flexible, intelligent, and sustainable. By integrating the concept of digital and streamlined manufacturing, it provides a rock-solid support for high-quality development and high performance of intelligent equipment. Yizumi has been striving to use factories of the highest standards and manufacture inspiring products.